Wait. Go.
Good day, everyone. I'm the Blue Baron, defender of traditionalism.
Don't do it with that. That could take your hand off.
Don't worry, the other one could too.
No, it couldn't. That thing's razor sharp. The other thing was a toy. Or it was real metal, but it wasn't sharpened.
Don't worry.
The worst you could do is bruise yourself.
I know what I'm doing.
If you get cut, if I have to carry both you in the bag, I'm dumping the bag. Just so you know. Anyways, we're still rolling, so.
Yes. First of all, is my mustache still the same way it was before?
Your stash is fine. Wait, let me do a. There, now they can see the ugly stash. They can see the stash fine.
Good day, everyone. I'm the Blue Baron, defender of traditionalism.
It is Traditio Monarchia!
And welcome all to this expedition. We're going to be heading through the deepest forest in the neighborhood. And to employ that, I've found an assistant in the shape of this man, the bearded Canadian.
Hello, Canada.
Hey, wait a minute. You're supposed to be dressed in safari gear. Where's your safari gear?
The dog ate it. It's the best I could come up with.
Fine. Well, at least wear this hat for now.
Oh, fine. Yeah, at least it looks good. What do you think, Will? Do I look good?
But tilt it back down where it's tilted up to there you go.
I kind of can say things at once. We should leave this in as bloopers, to be honest.
Yes, we'll have to edit out the laughing.
This is not fun. I hope the rest of the world is enjoying my pain, because I'm not, and this git is just standing here.
Alright, we'll be heading into the deepest forest in the neighborhood, and we shall be seeing what we can find. We're employing a number of different tactics for both exploration and recovery.
And don't forget restoration.
Yes.
Potentially.
Potentially, yes.
Get away! Stupid mosquitoes. Okay.
But first things first, we've got to clear a path through the bush.
My, how manly.
Should have sharpened this better.
Yeah, you should have. And there he is, folks, the mighty hunter.
Oh yeah, I remember. You're supposed to use a side-to-side motion, not an up and down.
You missed one, boss. Right above your head. Oh, we're kind of missing a few items. Don't forget to speak loud enough.
What could be in here? Well,
Humans, frogs, toads, squirrel, occasional badger and skunk. That's about it.
Alright, first things first. We need to scout the perimeter by using a metal detector.
What, are we expecting mines or something? This is World War II.
Well, you never know. There could be mines. But I was thinking more along the lines of coins.
If you're talking about gas mines, I might have left a few here earlier, and they are very lethal. Anyways, can you pass me my stick?
Yes.
Merci beaucoup. And that's like the only French word I know. So you folks at home, do not message me in French. I will ignore you. There's no dissing. I just don't know French at all. You know what? I vote we just leave everything in here. Just give them the full uncut bit.
I'll think it over.
Or like a trial run or something. Like for one of our videos, we just give them everything. The gigs, the giggles. The part where my walking stick gets caught between my legs. We should probably... I'll forget about the papers and stuff later. Deep dark forest.
So far, no metal. I've heard tales of a treasure buried deep in this forest. Why, I once found a treasure map in here, but I lost it.
Why am I not surprised?
I couldn't find it again. What on earth? When did this come here? Who built this? And who authorized this? This isn't anyone's property. How could someone build this here?
Well, Baron, well, we could hilariously, send this to the authorities.
Actually, that would be a very good idea.
After all, let's see what the name says, shall we? Bring Dali. There you go. Video proof.
Do the other ones have names too?
Just numbers. And I'm not getting on this thing, because, well, I'd rather not get any more trouble.
I wonder if they built a community boat launch or something here.
It actually looks like it, given the fact that there's multiple boats. This whole thing looks like a community boat launch.
Actually, that's not a bad idea.
But we should still report it, just in case. And if you people out there, well, I live in East Ottawa, so come find me. And yes, I'm still. He is still speaking in character.
Indeed. Now, if they went to all this trouble to build a boat launch, maybe they've restored the park to its proper place, the bench.
You know we left stuff back there, right?
Yes, I'm aware of that. We only left the papers and the...
Hat.
Yes.
Which we can replace with other stuff if necessary. If someone decides to become a jerk. That's right, I'm talking to you, whoever decided to steal it, if such a thing actually happens. Oh yay, uphill. Ugh. Well, this is a pain in the butt.
Well, we appear to have taken away the bench. Too bad.
Well, let's get a few of the river anyway, shall we? Gorgeous. And then there's an ugly bridge in the way. Oh well.
Well, not quite as I remember it, but still good.
Well, it has been 200 years since you were last here, Grandpa.
Has not. It's only been 100.
With that, get up! Whew. That was close. Almost wiped out. Not that you noticed.
Let me see. Nothing found with the metal detector, so turn that off.
So, what now, boss?
Well, the way I see it, we should head this way. I remember making a path
That way works.
Ah,
I always go for the path of least resistance, not straight through the trees like you probably want to do.
it's been a while since I've been here.
And the cameraman does apologize to everyone for the horrible screening. I haven't done this type of thing in like years. So, you know, my fault.
More swampy than I would enjoy.
Yeah, we're not getting through that.
Well, looks like we've come to our first obstacle.
And this forest is kind of, well, rinky-dink. So, you know.
The building, I cut a path. I didn't build a bridge. I meant to build a bridge. That'll be a task for the future. We'll have to find another way.
And I'll probably have to direct you, despite the fact that I've never been here before, which would be hilarious.
Oh, I know what I'm doing.
Really? I showed you the easy path. Come on, folks, cheer for me. I'm obviously the hero of this story here.
Wait just a minute. I'll have you know that you've just been leading me on the wrong path.
How so?
This is a dead end.
Well, it was the path of least resistance. How was I to know?
The path of least resistance led to a dead end, folks.
It led to an entertaining storyline, folks. I'm sure you'll at least laugh at our misfortune, silliness, and slight stupidity. Mostly mine, of course. The boss never gets any negativity, ever. Ouch! Hint, posting, subscribe, the fact that he's a jerky boss.
I am not. I'm one of the best bosses you could ever work for.
Really? Then what do you call this? Being overloaded like a mule. What's your response to that?
You didn't fit the straps.
Well, it's not my fault. I'm fat, you're skinny. Okay, technically it is the fault that I'm fat, but it's not my fault you're skinny. Sorry, you've been needing to gain weight. Anyways.
I have gained weight. I used to be able to see my ribs.
Yeah, that's true. You should still try and get up to 180 though. Or something around there anyways.
We'll have to find a new entrance into the woods. Let's see.
So, we're gonna keep rolling this one, or
Yes. Well, no.
why not?
For now.
Go ahead.
Well, we're finding a path around the forested area. We'll have to take the main road back through the area and around until we reach towards the hill.
Lovely swamp.
Yeah. That's very interesting.
It's back this way.
No, it's right over here. But it's not doing anything.
And that thing don't work anymore. I think the paint. Anyways, folks, as you can see while we're trying to fix our metal detector, we found a perfectly good tire iron. Now, I hope this guy doesn't decide to dump in my backpack, although this... Wait, there's actually a note beside it. What does the note say?
2 orders, both to sign, Pete's Run, September 22nd. Fascinating.
So this guy named Pete was ordering something.
Let's see, what day is today? The
7?
27th?
26 or 27? Wait, no, they actually no, it doesn't show on this.
This has been here a while. Well, we don't have the facilities to carry it with us, but we'll pass this spot on our way back, so we'll pick it up then.
Yep. Good.
Alright. As you can see, we found a new entrance to the forested area. We're not in nearly as deep as we were before, but this will do until we can establish a perimeter and hopefully make a path.
While keeping our pants on. So we're now going to do some magnet fishing. You'll probably see a glowy thingamabob floating around.
And just in case any of you are watching or wondering, this is actually the technical term for this, magnet fishing. We're not catching fish, but we're fishing for metal objects in there with a magnet.
So, magnet fishing, ergo.
So for those of you wondering if I was catching fish with magnets as opposed to hooks, sorry to disappoint you. I've looked for things like that myself, but this is what's called magnet fishing.
And we're going to toss it right about over there. Well, give or take that area anyways. Nice job. Although a little more to the right, I think, just because of where the breach is. We get anything?
Well, we're about to find out. It's hard to tell when you first.
Well, what's the weight and what's the weight limit?
Pounds, I believe, or not.
And what's the weight limit on this baby?
When you're doing this, you want to pull it up nice and gently, so nice and slowly, so that it doesn't snag on anything.
Very true. We don't want to don't want anything to happen to the quote-unquote very valuable item. Again, I say quote-unquote.
And also, we don't want to lose the magnet because this is the biggest one I have. The other ones are just smaller, and they wouldn't be able to retrieve this one.
Alright, let's get over a little bit more to the right. Nice job. And we're slowly reeling again. And as I'm sure the Baron will agree, if you have any comments or suggestions on how to... Oh, that's lovely. On how to better improve our magnet fishing, then leave a comment and a like and subscribe for more. We might even have some surprise videos for you down the line. Teaser event.
Here, try this knot for me.
I'm not gonna die. I honestly don't get a curd in the eye, so you know.
Must have happened while it got tangled up in the pouch.
So, in case you was wondering, I'm tying it out with my teeth. I'm laying at the spring in the water, so let's see what happens if I die. Let's start a poll for that, shall we?
Oh, nonsense.
Alright, you're good to go.
You...
Ooh, shotgun spit. That's usually what I get, or a couple of big haloogies. Very good Canadian, everyone.
How did that song go? No one, let's see. In a spitting contest, no one spits like Gaston. I'm especially good at expectorating. Something.
And you officially lost 5,000 viewers. Nice job.
What? I've gained some. People like it when you make movie references.
I know, but people like it when other people do it, and then there's, well, that hat. And that mustache.
A lot of people in movies dress this way.
Hilarious mustache, or good mustache, leave a comment.
Everyone who's talked to me about it said it was good, minus you. So.
It's just not. I mean, preferably for me, I like this having handsome mug. So, you know, everyone's got their preferences.
Further out this way this time.
And try and get some good heft into it. Without socking yourself. And... Yep.
Oh, but wait. I thought I had something.
You know what? Allow me. I'll toss again. I'll be able to get it out there. Assuming you clean it, of course.
Yes.
Because I'm going to just toss the magnet itself. That way, we'll, now clean the magnet, please. Because I'm going to hold the magnet in my hand and toss it like a ball. Alright, I think it's good. And, well, slippery. Alright, make sure there's plenty of slack. Well, if we had more slack, we would have gone farther, so maybe we should get in better rope next time. But on the plus side, we know that doing it by hand can get it farther.
I definitely had something now.
Slowly. Let's try and get it up here, away.
Does it feel like there's something on there?
Just pull. Use me as a pulley. Yes, this is ingenious and also painful. The things I do for this channel.
Alright, it's caught in the weeds. Last. Whatever it was came off.
It's probably pretty close to right there. So, you know.
Yeah. Possibly as this is our first time, we're not expecting to find much.
No.
Go on, we'll get that.
Especially if we can combine this with boating, which believe me, I'm going to need some practice before I'm able to do that competently. Well, most of the time anyways. Then basically, we'll be able to get out into the deeper areas and other areas of the water as well, not just here. Found something? Baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. Little music reference for you fans out there. If we have any. I mean, who knows? The English-Canadian brothers, we're not famous, but I'm sure we got a couple of people to at least laugh at our antics and the bloopers and stuff we'll be putting out. Maybe I'll even be in pain and you guys all know about it. Oh, we got something? Nothing. Wait, we got something.
Where?
Right there.
I knew there was something there.
What is
Last,
it?
our first metal object.
Which is what exactly?
It appears to be some sort of nut or bolt or...
Well, if we don't know about it, then the viewers at home will.
rusted and worn and...
Kind of looks like a cannon, actually.
A cannon?
Yeah.
It does kind of look like one.
Cannon? Yeah, amateur military historian, what do you expect? So,
We found something anyway.
yep. And the water will probably end up dripping down my pants, so thanks.
Sorry, did I splash you?
Oh, no. With the water me having to carry all the wet items will probably end up splashing down my pants, and I'll get wet pants. Thank you for that. Ahead of time. I'll make sure to send you something lovely in response. In case you're wondering what those sounds are, we are basically under a bridge with cars and vehicles going by every like 2 seconds, so
Yes.
totally fun.
Unfortunately, this preserve happens to be cut through by several roads.
Which is sad. Even if I don't live here, it's still sad.
Yes. Well.
Yeah, so sorry folks, I had to walk several hours to get here. Although it was my own stupidity at the end of the day.
Whoops. Got myself tangled up there.
I was kind of figuring, are you gonna hook it around your fingers or something? Not bad, actually wasn't too bad to throw.
Yeah. Maybe we'll find something else this time. Let's find out.
Slowly. You're reeling in a really fat fish named Josh. Also, I have a plant growing on my nether region. Yay.
Oh, there was definitely something on it.
Let's call it Steve.
Come on, Steve.
It's a pretty name. Now, what reference is that, folks? Tell us in the comments. Hint, it's a movie. And you just got more sludge.
Yeah, that'll happen sometimes.
That'll happen every time. And apologies, folks, if the camera is sort of out of whack. This is like the first time I've done this in literally like 10, 12 years. So, you know. And last time was a bigger camera on a tripod, so, you know. Specifics. I christened the SS Smarty Pants.
I think I got something.
Ooh. Treasure?
Perhaps. There's definitely something there.
Nope, just sludge. Running out of time.
Well, this is just our first endeavor.
Hang out, just letting you know we're on 1 hour, 48 minutes, 55 seconds on this thing.
So we got how much left?
We got 10 minutes. So we might want to finish this up with a couple more throws. And then you guys can take a break from us. Until we come back anyways. We'll always come back. After all, he owes me $20.
When do I owe you $20?
You owe me $20 in moral damages. Or physical damages. Let's see, hurt my arm, almost twisted my ankle, scratches, all sorts of lovely stuff. While he's trying to carefully reel the thing in, we got mud.
Yes. Mud.
10 minutes left.
Yes. We'll move over here slightly and see what
Couple more ones, and then
There's
it's
not much space to move.
yeah. We're kind of limited on this spot.
We'll find better spots later on.
Yep. And if anyone has any recommendations, ideas on how I can do this better, am I overplaying my role? Is he overplaying his role? Are we underplaying our roles? Please leave any suggestions. We will happily read through them. We will take them into consideration. We do care about you guys out there on YouTube. Especially because you have to suffer through the two of us.
Droll. Very droll.
Very true, though. Am I right?
Yes, true.
Mm-hmm. And no, that does not mean you get to sue us for damages. So, have fun.
Oh, I definitely got something here.
Ooh.
Oh, yes.
Don't wiggle it, you'll shake it off. Remember, this isn't a guaranteed catch on this one.
Yes.
Slowly. If you folks at home know I can't go any farther in. If I do, I'm going to be taking a drink. And I don't feel like drinking this river.
Wait a minute. Wonder if it's actually caught on some. Wait.
You need some real muscle power.
No, the trouble is, there's definitely something there.
There would be several big items down there, but we need like a boat. A big boat and a big magnet. As well as possibly a crane.
This is the biggest magnet I could find on Amazon.
Yeah.
That's right, I trekked through the mighty Amazon in search of magnets. You see, in a little-known section of the Amazon jungle, magnets grow on trees. And the natives pick the magnets when they are ripe.
Why do you sound like you're from India?
I don't know.
Or apologies if I completely and totally miscounted that.
I think you did, but...
I do apologize to all listeners for any and all pronunciation issues. I may be fairly good at some pronunciations, but others just completely and totally escape me. We're in Red Power Bar, so we gotta finish this up right now.
Alright, well, we didn't find much this time, but we'll come out here again. Hopefully we'll find something better. We found one thing anyway.
Yeah, we'll definitely be back for more videos, but the power's running out.
Yeah.
And, well, I'll have to go. I'll have to head home soon anyways, so...
So, until next time, I'm the Blue Baron, defender of traditionalism. God bless you all, and remember...
It is Traditio Monarchia!
True Canadian, eh?